lovelies. Hello guys, come on. It's a vlogmas. Finally I'm able to sit down to start a vlogmas. And guess what guys, it's the last day of school. Come on.
For this girl outfit.
Yes, it is the last day of school and I'm so excited. She is excited, but I guess I'm more excited because the struggle in waking this one up every morning is not here. So I'm finally excited
because I always want to sleep through morning and night.
Yes, she wants to sleep. This is your hair, and then we finally get to make our Christmas hair.
I have very long hair.
Very long hair. She wants to make very long hair. So
like my mommy's.
I guess we're gonna have like 2-3 vlogmas come up because
and do you know what I'm watching today? Super Striker.
Yeah, she's watching
Super Striker.
Who knows Super Striker? This one is a big fan of Super Striker. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of
And I wonder how she's watching Super Striker. Anyways, go and prepare. Wear your ski pants and your jackets. So I just thought I would start this vlog. It's the last day of school. I'm excited. Christmas is here, and let me just quickly chip something in. The amount, in fact, out of my 30-something years of celebrating Christmas, this is like the most that I've gotten, the most number of gifts that I've gotten from someone. I don't know if that English is correct. Like, the number of gifts I've gotten this Christmas, maybe I'll sit down, maybe 24th or something. Even though, like, some of them, like the head nipples, like the chocolates and all of that, we've been munching on those ones. But guys, I'm so excited about Christmas. The tradition for Christmas here in Canada is totally different from what I'm used to. Like, you do crafts, maybe I'll show you some of the crafts. You do crafts, even in offices, you do crafts, Christmas crafts. Gifts is a big thing here. Christmas sweaters, Christmas pajamas, Christmas this one, Christmas that one. As in, it makes me so excited. It even makes me more excited, right? So, I don't know what the rest of this vlog is gonna be, but trust me, there's a lot of activities we have planned for this holidays. I'm definitely gonna be taking you guys through. I'm not sure if all of it is gonna fit in one video, but we'll just see how it goes. Okay, of course, please don't forget to like this one. Like it, okay? Like it, drop a comment if you're enjoying it, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you. Okay, I'll see you.
Click down the button and watch this video and subscribe.
Yeah, do that. Yeah, please do that. And guys, weather has been weathering. The winter. So actually, winter hasn't officially started. I'm not sure. Maybe they said 21st or 23rd. I'm not sure which one. But then the weather. There's a lot of snow. It's been snowing. The weather has been crazy. There's been a lot of advisories of extreme weather condition and all of this and all of that. And I'm like, hey, God help us. And they are saying winter has not started. So what will happen when winter starts? Hey, God. In your hands, Lord. And then my face, when it eats your face, I can't even feel my face. I'm not complaining, I'm complaining, but then really there's nothing we can do about it. We just have to, try to kit up, warm up, and then just protect yourself. But then I'm just telling you guys that, hey, the weather is weathering. Please, I need routine, skin routine. Guys, if you have skin routine, please share with me in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. Like, I need a proper skin routine, morning and night skin routine for winter. Like, for those harsh weather conditions, I would really appreciate it, guys, because I want this skin to skin. I want it to be skinning. I hope you get what I mean, right? If you have for adults, if you have for kids, please just share with me. I don't mind. Like, I would really like to get on a proper skin routine. So see you later in the vlog. Yeah, see you. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the time to maybe do this anymore. It's just gonna be sights and sounds or feels and thrills. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, bye. Hi lovelies, so today's video is sponsored by Hubble Marketplace, and over the past few weeks I've been talking to you about how you can make money from those services that you offer. So are you a driving instructor? Do you make hair? Are you a beauty or makeup professional? Do you know how to make up or tie headgears? Whatever it is that you offer, all you need to do is just head over to www.hubblemarketplace.ca and go and post a new listing. Guys, there are a lot of ways you can make money or have a side also here in Canada. So take advantage of this opportunity now, which is at your face for free. So guys, head over and set up your own business page right now. Just select the category that your service falls under and also select a subcategory. Please note that your registration is not complete until you have set up a payment method. Now, this is the best part, guys. Come 2023, Hubble Marketplace will be giving out up to $50 to $100 gift card to everyone who refers a new person to sign up on the Hubble Marketplace. So head over to www.hubblemarketplace.ca right now to get started. Thank you. So this is the card we made for our teacher. She wrote this: Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from Ayofe.
And the stickers on these guys.
Yes.
I like the stickers.
It's really lovely. So like, this is what I'm saying, guys. Like, a lot of, you just hear creativity, eh? You have to, there's a lot of craft thing. So this is mine. Someone gave me this. Happy holidays, Kemi. Like, handmade things is a big thing here. Handmade crafts, right? And this is another one that someone gave me to Happy holidays. You know?
Because they always be asking, how old is your daughter? We love your daughter.
Yes.
They always be saying, how old is your daughter? Your daughter is so cute.
Yes. Are you cute?
Yes.
Who told you you're cute?
Nobody. It's just that when you was at work, when there was a work, you came up, you said,
Yes.
everyone always asks me that, is your daughter fine? Is your daughter cute?
Yes, you're cute. You're damn cute girl. Huh?
And I'm so smart.
Yes, you are smart. That's it. You're smart. You're cute. Tell me more things
And
about
I'm creative.
You are creative. Yes, what else?
And I have more friends more than anybody else.
You have more friends more than anybody else. Oh, goodness. I guess this girl is true. She said she has more friends more than anybody else. Hey, lovelies.
Hi, lovelies.
Oh, welcome back.
Welcome back.
So it's the first day of no school, and
Yes.
guess who is excited?
Me.
Yes, but guess what, guys? I have something to tell you. Could you believe that this girl that used to struggle to wake up woke up at exactly the time that, you know, if she was going to school, I would try to wake her up at that same time, and she'd be like, no, I want to sleep. No, I don't want to have my bath. That was exactly the time she woke up today that she's not going to school without me waking her up. Can you imagine? These kids, these children, you know what you are doing.
Yes.
You these children, you do what? You know what you are doing. So, no school today. First thing on our list is breakfast, right?
So I will not get hungry.
Yeah. And then we're making our hair today.
Yeah.
We're making Christmas hair.
Like this.
She wants to make long hair that is going to get up to where? Where do you want the hair to
My
get
bobo.
So, a bum bum. I don't know who is going to make that one, but then we're making long hair today. So, yeah, a lot of excitement today. Please don't forget to like our vlog.
And subscribe and watch this video and click down the bell button.
Yeah, please do all that. All of the good stuffs. It's Christmas. Share some love, share some joy.
And share some sadness.
And some Santa-ness. Yes, be Santa.
So today we are going to see Santa in real life.
In real life. Okay, let's see that. All right, guys. Continue to enjoy, okay?
Yes, guys, I'm enjoying my meal.
And mommy is gonna be having most likely no burger, but maybe just egg sandwich and coffee. Guys, there's something that's happened to me. So I was never a lover of coffee, right? As a matter of fact, I remember when we were in Nigeria, I had a boss, my very lovely ED, who was a lover of coffee. Like, she took coffee every day, and I was like, what are you guys taking in this coffee? Why do you like coffee so much? Why do you drink coffee and all of that, right? I was like criticizing her about drinking coffee, and oh no, don't drink coffee. But guess what, guys? This lady right here now drinks coffee. Like, she tries so hard. I try so hard now not to take coffee in a day. Like, I try really hard. I fight really hard. I have that. I think it's because of the caffeine. It's really addictive, right? It is I don't know what to call it, but my point is that coffee is now my thing. I drink coffee like almost every day right now. Me that I used to be a lover of cocoa, I used to be a lover of beverage, of Milo and all of that. But now I'm a lover of coffee. So I'm gonna have breakfast right now, make her hair, and the day begins. The Christmas adventure begins. Christmas in Canada. By the way, guys, did I mention I'm loving this Christmas? Apart from the snow, the only thing I'm not loving about it all is the snow. It's so cold out there, and you almost don't want to go anywhere, right? Because it's really cold, and the buses are getting delayed and all of that, of course, because of the weather. So if you don't have anything to do outside, it's best to just stay inside. So let's see how today goes. We most likely might have to take a taxi. This is going to be expensive, but it's the season to jolly. It's the season to be merry. So enjoy the rest of our vlog, guys. Enjoy it, okay? With all the love. Enjoy it. From us to you. Guys, we are finished though. Rate my... Come, turn around.
Don't touch it.
It's paining you.
Yeah.
Even though... Come, we are not done now. Where are you running to?
I don't want it. I'm going to don't touch it. I said it's paining.
I'm not touching it. Just come, move closer. Guys, look at it. After turning and twisting and uncountable chocolates and everything. We did it. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of my feet.
You're not proud of me.
I mean, I'm proud that I made this hair.
You're not also proud
Of course, I'm proud of you. You know, I'm always proud of you.
Yes.
But I'm proud I was able to make your long hair, our long Christmas hair. I did it, guys. Yay. Christmas is in
August.
Is in 3 days time.
3 days.
4 days. No, 3 days time. Yes. Today is 22. So Christmas is in 3 days time. So guys, we are dressed up because we're going out.
Yeah. So see Santa. Are you so excited?
We are going out, guys. So that's why you see us all dressed up. We had to rush to make the hair. So yes, we're seeing Santa. Well, hopefully we'll see Santa. We are going to a mall. Is it a mall? It's a called Outlets.
Guys, do you remember the place that we went to the movie and we saw all these Disney princess skating and we was watching?
That's not where we're going to. We're going to a different place. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. But the point, Sha, is that we are going to, for our Christmas outing, mommy and daughter. I guess we're going to have fun. Guys, my back is paining me. It's not easy. People that make hair. How do they do it? How do they survive? Well, now I understand why they charge. Because it wasn't easy. I was telling her that before I make this kind of hair again, maybe a birthday or something. Or maybe even that time, we'll find someone to do it. But anyways, we're done. We're about to hit the streets, the cold streets. Even though the cold, but then my lovely colleague, she volunteered. She said she was gonna take us. So yes, we have a ride. Yay. Oh no, I'm blessed. So see you guys. looking for popcorn. Oh.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
I bought this one for you.
Right, what does it say? Naughty, nice.
Can we buy it for you, please? Oh, Christmas socks. You definitely need a Christmas socks.
No, we don't need Christmas socks.
Okay.
Who told you to go and pick something? Are you the one that is going to spend money? That you are picking things?
No, I just want to buy it.
You can't want to.
Just one.
Don't. You cannot be wanting anything here. Oh. Please. Don't be wanting. Oh.
Okay, I'll push it back.
Obera. I'm only buying Christmas PJs. That's it. Sit down. Hello. Guys. So we're here coming out with Kemi-ing. This one is everything she has been saying that she wants to buy. Where is she going to again? It's everything. Like come back here. Come and sit down. Come and sit down. The last thing we are buying, we're not buying any scooter. The last thing we are buying before going home is just pizza for dinner. I'll be supper, I don't know, supper, dinner, night food. It's pizza, that's it. This one, everything she sees, she wants to buy.
What's pizza?
Pizza, we're gonna go back to look for pizza. So, it's been fun so far.
Lots of.
Do funny face, smiley face, sad face, angry face. Which other face? Christmas face. See.
It's like water. I love pizza.
This your pizza looks like it's burnt.
Yeah, it does. I wanted tomato sauce on the pizza. I wanted tomato sauce on it.
Ooh, it's hot. Merry Christmas.